We're going to get out our passports and go south of the border to Guatemala, Me- Mexico. All right. I'm sorry. I'm also not Spanish or Mexican, so I probably shouldn't be pronouncing that. Anyway, if you zoom in, you can look at or if you zoom out, you can actually look at the ocean and you can almost see the continental shelf. This is the meeting point of two continental plates. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the location of a few volcanoes, like Santa Maria volcano. Um, Type that into the search bar, or the volcanoes called Santa Ana volcano, or the Granada volcano, or San Diego, which is in El Salvador. The volcano version of San Diego is in El Salvador. Based on these locations of the volcanoes and in relation to where the plate boundaries must be, how would you best describe the interaction of these two continental plates, and what evidence can you provide to support your response? Um, are there also, here's another question, and I didn't think of it till now, but is there any other evidence that you could provide to support your response that that is different from looking at the volcanoes? All right, let me show you what I mean. Let's go down to Guatemala, Mexico. Viva la Mexico. Actually, that would just give me Mexico. All right, there we go. Guatemala. Type, copy, paste in. Guatemala City. Did I spell it wrong? I guess I should change that. It's Guatemala, Mexico. I guess I should put Guatemala City in Guatemala. Yeah, that makes sense. So, like I said, this isn't the interesting place, but what is the interesting place is if you zoom out, you can almost see the plate boundary right here. This is the boundary of two different plates. And this isn't the Pacific plate, it's called the Coast plate. And I want you to take a look at the different volcanoes. Like, let's go down to Santa Maria. In fact, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to, um, if you have this thing uploaded onto your computer, I'll give you the link for it, but you can go and check out Volcanoes of the World. And booyah! Right there, we got a whole bunch of them. So let's go and check out where's Santa. Oh, Santa. There's a Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Let's go over there. Ooh, pretty volcano. Looks like almost a snail shell. Wonder if I can zoom in and actually see that. That's cool. Oh yeah, check that out. Look at that volcano. And now look at this one, the caldera. Caldera. Or let's go down to um, I told you there was San Diego, yeah? San Diego volcano. Let's see if we can find it. There it is. San Diego volcano. Let's zoom in. Check that out. Doesn't really look like much. Oh yeah, kind of. It looks pretty. All right. So based off of the location of these volcanoes, in relation to where the obvious plate boundary is. In fact, you know what? If it's not obvious to you, let me show it to you. Scroll up here and check out this plate boundary. There we go. You see it? How would you classify these two plates, top and bottom? How are they moving? How are they interacting? What evidence do you have that shows this stuff? Show me your knowledge. Show me your brain power. Cool.